Did you know that looking at saturated colors for some time can trigger the same neural pathways as eating your favorite food? Your brain releases dopamine just by watching saturated colors, so imagine how it feels to be the one creating it. Most of the people gave up on art before they ever really started. Not because they were not talented, but somebody like a teacher, a friend, a classmate told them that they couldn't draw, and they believed it. So let's change it. The minimal supplies that I have used are marker pen. This is from Mr. DIY. Then I've used 0.8 fine line pen. This is from Artline. You can also use Uniball or any other company. And then I have used the brush pens from Camlin. Also, for getting the shade, I am using color pencils from Camlin as well. Now let's start with colorful 3D bubbles floating on intricate wave patterns, which looks like candy planets in a Zentangle galaxy. So to achieve this, you can start with drawing some bubbles. Make sure the bubbles are of different sizes, some big, some small. And if you're a beginner, you can definitely take the help of a compass to draw the perfect circle, but you can skip this step as well. I know what you're thinking right now, and that is you cannot draw a perfect circle, right? But perfect circles are boring. Your slight imperfect circle with a tiny wobble is precious and handmade. That is more valuable. Now let's start tracing the circles which we have drawn. I have used Mr. DIY marker pen to trace them. Think of it like planets of different sizes, positions, all of them floating in the same space. Your hand is basically creating a galaxy right now. By the way, here is an interesting fact. Art therapists use circle drawing specifically for anxiety treatment. The act of closing a curved shape triggers a completion response in brain. Now grab a fine liner pen to draw the wavy lines that look so complex. Watch how simple they actually are. One curved line following the shape of a bubble, then another line following the first. It looks like ripples in water. Some sound waves, or maybe feeling of peace spreading outward. This is called as aura drawing. And this is where the magic of Zentangle begins. If you keep repeating this, then your hand starts finding a rhythm. Your brain stops thinking. Your shoulders drop. And that's how your nervous system finally switches off. Oh, and yes, to calm your nerves, you didn't need any meditation app. You did not do any breathing exercises. You just used your pen and just started drawing one line followed by another. Look how close these lines are to each other. This is called as detailing, and you just learned how to do it. Keep watching the waves fill up the entire page. You can fill up the gaps near the circle with some marker or maybe a pencil. Anything works fine. Just by filling the details with black color, it feels like the planets are studded in galaxy, isn't it? Now here comes my favorite part, which is coloring. Watch what happens to these simple shaded circles when color arrives. Every bubble gets its own color, its own personality, and its own energy. The pink one is playful. The yellow one is joyful. The green one is calm. The blue one is deep. is bold. Color is not just visual, it is emotional. When you choose colors for your art, even subconsciously, you are expressing something that words cannot reach. That is why art heals in ways that we cannot even think of. Now comes the part that transforms everything, the 3D shading. Watch carefully how I shade darker towards the bottom right and I leave a white highlight in the top left of each bubble. I am using a brushstroke white gel pen for making the white highlights, and that contrast between light and dark is what makes the flat circles become floating spheres. This is the exact technique used in professional illustration, and you just learned it in 30 seconds. Now the finishing touch that elevates everything. These are nothing but small dots. Between every large circle, tiny colorful dots that you see of different colors, these details do something extraordinary. They make the viewer's eyes travel across the entire piece. They create visual rhythm, which is done with the intention to become beautiful. And here it is, every bubble placed, every wave drawn, every color chosen by the same hands that once believed that they couldn't draw. Look at what those hands made. I want you to notice something. This does not look like a beginner art. And that gap between what you believed you were capable of and what your hands actually created, that gap is where confidence is born. This is Zen Ink Nest. That is why I do this every single week. If you made it till here, then genuinely thank you. This channel exists because of people like you. If you want to stay longer, there is a subscribe button somewhere on your screen. So there'll be new art every single week. If you try this, please share it below. A photo, a description, or even just one word, because every person who creates something with their own hands deserve to be seen. Thank you for watching. See you next time.